providing you the information you need in these uncertain times. Welcome to the channel and enjoy the video.
Rolling over your 401k to gold, Q&A. If you're like most people, you probably have a 401k through your employer. But what happens when you leave that job? You have the option of cashing out, but that's not always the best idea. Instead, you can roll over your 401k into an individual retirement account, IRA. And if you're looking for even more security for your retirement, you might want to consider rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA. You'll want to review your options thoroughly before deciding how to move forward with rolling over your 401k. Consider your financial needs, time frame and current holdings before making any decisions. It's worth talking with an independent financial advisor who can help you weigh all of your options. There may be certain tax benefits or other advantages for one option over another, so there are many reasons why it's smart to consult an expert before choosing what is best for you. Can I roll my 401k into gold without penalty? You can roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA without penalty if you follow the proper steps. First, you'll need to find a gold dealer that offers IRAs. Next, you'll need to open a self-directed IRA with that dealer. Once your account is open, you can then roll over your 401k into the new account. Be sure to keep track of all the paperwork and deadlines associated with the process so that you don't incur any penalties. Be sure to keep track of all deadlines and paperwork. For example, when you roll over your 401k, you have 90 days to transfer money from your old account into your new one. Any transfers made after that deadline will be assessed steep penalties of 10% per year. Other deadlines and paperwork include filing an IRS Form 8606 each year detailing how much gold is in your IRA, as well as maintaining physical possession of your gold by keeping it with a custodian. You must also report any sale or other transaction made with gold within 60 days via IRS Form 8594. Check out our step-by-step guide on how to open a self-directed precious metals IRA for detailed information on everything you need. How do I roll over my 401k to a Gold IRA? You may be able to roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA if your plan allows it and you have enough money. Check with your plan administrator to see if this is an option for you. If it is, then you will need to open a Gold IRA account and transfer the funds from your 401k into it. You will also need to choose a custodian for your account and purchase gold bars or coins that meet the IRS requirements. You may want to review your current 401k plan before rolling over your account. For example, you may want to make sure that you understand what fees are associated with transferring funds into a Gold IRA. You can also check on how long it will take for your money to transfer and if there is anything else you will need to provide. You'll likely have fewer options than when initially choosing an IRA provider, so make sure you consider these factors when deciding where to roll over your funds. How do I convert my IRA to gold without penalty? You can roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA without penalty by following these simple steps. 1. Check with your current provider to see if they offer in-plan Roth conversions. 2. If they do, contact a Gold IRA provider to set up an account. 3. Transfer the funds from your current provider to the new provider. 4. Once the funds are in the new account, you can then purchase gold bars or coins. 5. Hold on to the gold for at least 1 year. 6. When you're ready to retire, you can then sell the gold and use the proceeds towards your retirement income. Can you roll an IRA into gold? You can roll over your traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, or simple IRA into a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement portfolio. Gold has long been used as a hedge against inflation and market volatility, and adding it to your retirement account can help protect your nest egg. Rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA is a simple process that can be done by transferring the funds from your old account into a new Gold IRA. If you have an existing IRA or retirement account, rolling over your funds is simple. First, you'll transfer your funds from your current account into a self-directed Gold IRA. Then, decide how much gold you want to purchase based on your budget and needs. You can roll over all of your funds at once if you want, but it's typically better to break up purchases and store them in various places like cash in short-term accounts and physical gold in safe storage accounts. That way, if one investment loses value, you'll still have other assets that can help safeguard your retirement portfolio. How do I transfer my 401k to gold without penalty? You can roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA without paying any taxes or penalties. Simply contact your 401k provider and let them know that you want to do a direct rollover. They will then send you the necessary paperwork. Once you have completed the paperwork, your funds will be transferred from your 401k to your Gold IRA within 60 days. This is an important decision because converting your 401k could trigger income taxes and penalties if you aren't careful. The reason for these taxes is that you are converting your retirement funds into non-retirement funds, which can be seen as a form of early withdrawal. However, there are some exceptions for certain retirement plans, such as Gold IRAs and self-directed IRAs. These accounts allow investments outside of stocks, bonds and mutual funds in order to diversify your holdings and protect against devaluation. If you were in any doubt regarding how to transfer your 401k or what type of investment accounts best suit your needs, you should consult with an expert financial advisor before making any decisions. How do you convert money into gold? You can't actually convert your cash into gold bullion. You'll need to set up a Gold IRA, which is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in precious metals. The process is fairly simple. Contact a gold dealer or broker to set up an account, then transfer funds from your current IRA or 401k into the new account. Once your gold arrives, it will be stored in a secure facility until you're ready to retire. It's important to note that Gold IRAs have different rules from other retirement accounts. For example, you'll need to hold your precious metals for at least 5 years before you can cash out, and if you're younger than 59.5 when you begin your account, penalties and taxes may apply. You'll also want to make sure your existing employer won't charge fees for rolling over funds into an individual retirement account. Oftentimes companies will offer their own Gold IRA through a partner company. If so, ask them how much they charge in fees and commissions.
Our top pick for a great company to work with in setting up a new Gold IRA, or rolling over an existing 401k or traditional IRA is Augusta Precious Metals. Money Magazine rated them Best Gold IRA Company for 2022, and they have one of the best customer satisfaction rates in the industry. Get in touch with them now to see how you can get fees waived for up to 10 years. Click the link in the video description or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. They will get a gold guide out to you right away and answer any questions you may have. Don't wait, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call 1-855-470-4636. Protect your retirement from losing value due to inflation and potential turbulent times ahead.